Welcome to our tutorial on how to get travel insurance online with MedjetAssist. If you're planning a trip and looking for comprehensive travel assistance, MedJet is an excellent option. It's known for providing medical evacuation services, along with a range of other travel protection features. Once you're on the MedjetAssist website, you'll see the homepage offers a clear overview of their services. Scroll down to find their membership plans for both short and long-term travelers. You could also read testimonials and reviews that highlight the reliability and trust people have in this service. Click on the Get a Quote button. This feature allows you to see pricing based on your travel plans, which is particularly helpful if you're trying to manage costs. Enter your travel details, including your destination and the duration of your trip. MedJet offers flexible plans, whether you need coverage for a single trip or multiple trips throughout the year. Their pricing is straightforward and competitive, especially when you consider the high-quality coverage they offer for medical emergencies. Now, one of the standout advantages of MedJet is its global coverage. This means that no matter where you are in the world, you can count on their evacuation and assistance services in the event of a serious medical situation. However, one limitation is that their services focus primarily on medical transport rather than other forms of travel insurance like trip cancellation or lost luggage protection. If you're looking for a more comprehensive insurance service that includes additional coverage like trip delays and cancellations, I recommend checking out another service called Extra Traveling, which you can find linked in the description below. It's a reliable option for travelers who want broader protection beyond just medical evacuation. As you proceed through the MedJet purchase process, you'll find that their website makes it easy to customize your insurance plan. You could also contact their customer support for any questions, which is a nice benefit for first-time users or those unfamiliar with buying travel insurance online. If you're ready to make your purchase, simply fill in your payment details and confirm your plan. It's that simple. Now you're insured and can travel with peace of mind, knowing that MedjetAssist has your back for any medical emergencies that may arise. Don't forget to follow the link in the description for Extra Traveling if you're seeking even more comprehensive coverage. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button for more useful travel tips. Safe travels.